We are heading into week number 6 now of the stay-at-home order.
And most people are in favor of staying home if it will help COVID-19 from spreading. But there is a growing call for leaders to open things up. As frustrations grow, some are tonight calling the pandemic a conspiracy. KICO 9's Jeff Nguyen with more.
Drive through Southern California and you will notice plenty of businesses are shuttered right now. And with no end in sight on safer at home orders, we're getting a new look at how people are dealing with them.
Casa Vega in Sherman Oaks has served generations, but Christina Vega had to close the restaurant's door because of safer at home orders to prevent the spread of the coronavirus.
It's scary, and I worry about my employees.
She's not the only person facing anxiety. There have been demonstrations against the mandates, and some critics have questioned the veracity of the White House advisors on the coronavirus task force.
But I believe that it is a conspiracy to get rid of the current president. A lot of people dislike him.
But a new poll from the California Healthcare Foundation and Ipsos found 75% of those surveyed want the stay-at-home orders continued as long as needed. LA County says the mandates can be eased if 4 benchmarks are met. Hospitals will need to maintain capacity to treat the sick and provide standard care. Protections are in place for the most vulnerable. There must be capacity to test, isolate, and quarantine those who are ill, and physical distancing and infection control measures are maintained. With the warm weather, there are concerns people will rush to parks and recreational sites that are still closed.
But if you stay home this weekend, our case numbers will drop, and it will stop the spread of this virus and be able to start reopening the city sooner.
Back at Casa Vega, there is no rush to reopen. It's been here for 64 years, so plenty of customers and staff members are part of the high-risk group because of their age.
And I think the concern would be is if we open up too soon, then we find ourselves in a similar situation in a couple months.
On the national front, a recent Fox News poll found the majority of Americans support the government mandates. In Sherman Oaks, Jeff Nguyen, KCAL 9 News.